We are still at Alleppey, moved from our private island to the place which is actually the hub of Kerala backwaters. While we are waiting for a boat to come and take us to a narrow paddy fields and canals, this place is also called the finishing point because there's also a starting point. Alappuzha is surrounded by infinite coconut trees that lean over the waters. The town is known as the hub of Kerala's backwaters, home to an enormous chain of waterways. Wandering around the chaotic town in a boat and looking at every other passing boat, our mind took us back to the childhood days when we used to play with paper boats. Having delicious food by the backwaters is a must-do thing as it's a sporadic moment for people like us. And to my best luck, I even get a chance to ride a boat. So we had an amazing houseboat experience. I think the trip would have been incomplete without these houseboats. And the amazing Kerala lunch. It only cost $100 per vegetarian thali and it was so delightful. I mean, I had to ask him 3 times, is it really that much? But that's how it is. So people are so nice. Now we are on our way to Varkala, which is another 130-kilometer drive from here. It's a small, beautiful town along the coastline and it's known for its red towering cliffs overseeing oceanic stunning views. Kerala is a gem of a paradise. The place has such enormous beauty to showcase, and Varkala is one of the places where we felt like we were almost driving down the lanes of heaven. We are at Varkala, and this is the pre-finale episode of our series. Now, there's no better way to start your day than to visit a temple. And if the temple is 2,000-year-old, it's so mystical, you know. So let's do a quick walk around before we head to another very famous spot, the hill cliff. Walking down the temple feels like I'm part of some South Indian movie. The temple visits was so calming that it cools me down eternally. One thing peculiar about the temple is people are quiet inside the temple. They don't really make too much noise here, which makes it a very tranquil feeling. We all know Jodhpur is referred to as the blue city of our country, but when we arrived in Varkala, I feel like this town also deserves the same title related to blue color. As the town is painted in shades of blue from top to bottom, clear sky hovering overhead, and I'm sure the endless Arabian Sea streaming below gives this town one of the most luxurious dusk and dawns in Kerala. Driving around the town, especially by the sea, is a breathtaking experience. I would like you to really visit this place for sure. If you're one of those people who prefer calm and cozy vacations, Varkala should be on top of your bucket list. Wow, one of the cleanest beaches I've seen, and one of the beaches where the car can come so parallel to the beach. This is some sight to behold. Of course, you are so close to the nature. And there are hardly people here, so you can actually come here, do sunbathing, just go and take a dip in the water. It's pristine, it's completely pristine, and the drive along the beach side is completely therapeutic, completely. Now we are going to visit the fort named Anchan Thango, which was the East India Company's first permanent post on the Malabar coast. This fort played an important role in the Anglo-Mysore Wars. During the war, the East India Company stored ammunition at the fort. Currently, it looks devastated, but it still holds strong walls around it. One can visit the nearby lighthouse to explore more of a fort with an aerial view. There are some other beaches also in Varkala, like especially Papanasam Beach, which is a very important beach from the Hindu pilgrimage point of view. A lot of people who are deceased are actually buried here. It is also said that if you take a holy dip, it will cure you of your sins. I'm not going to go there because I don't think I've sinned enough, so I'll wait for my time to come. And now, heading off to the next destination, which is the Kovalam. Until then, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up.